Look, it's no secret that your clients want the best deal possible for their small balance commercial loan. But shopping a scenario takes time, and as you know, time is a precious resource in this business. At Silver Hill Funding, we know you need to be able to quickly and easily provide estimated pricing info to your prospective borrowers. So that's why we offer unlimited access to our free Silver Qualifier mortgage calculator. You can use this tool to price your commercial deals and see which scenarios best fit our alternative loan programs. Really, it's the fastest way to get the information you need. So how does our calculator work? Well, first, you need to create a web account with Silver Hill. You can use the link on the screen to get started. Registering only takes a minute, and it's absolutely free. Once you create your account, you'll get instant access to our broker portal. From there, you can use our pricing calculator and download customizable collateral and other available marketing materials. Okay, so using the calculator is easy. Simply enter the required fields with your client's loan request information, such as loan amount, property type, or purpose. You can also fill in optional fields such as yield spread premium and prepayment period. When you're ready, just press Calculate Now. You'll then be shown various term options with corresponding rates and estimated monthly payments. Once you've made your selection, you'll get the opportunity to download a term sheet for your clients, complete with the Silver Hill estimated pricing information. Be sure to let your clients know that this estimated term sheet is not an approval or a commitment to lend. So, are you ready to start pricing your commercial deals? If you haven't already, create your web account now by using the link on the screen. Before you know it, you'll have instant access to information that can help you grow your commercial mortgage business.